Alright guys, so I'm currently editing the second video, and I didn't have an intro. We didn't film an intro at all, so I just want to say that this video is basically us trying some Japanese snacks and giving our thoughts and opinions on them, and yeah, that's about it, and just having fun. So just trying out the Japanese snacks, and hope you guys like the video. Okoni-chan. God, $5, bro. That's like a cheeseburger from In-N-Out.
Ese güey no sirve para nada, güey. No sirve para nada, güey, a la verga. A ver, ¿qué más tiene, güey? A la madre.
These are pretty cool, bro. These are pancake. Maracuya, bro. They're probably good, bro.
A ver, ¿cuántas pinches calorías, güey? A ver.
But I'm not worried about calories, but there's a little skinny ass on, bro. God,
You see this shit, man?
It's only about that, bro.
What you mean, man?
Alright, so we're gonna take these maracuya. Bean.
Oh, hell no, bro.
See, bro?
No, I'm good, bro.
Let's try this, bro. It should look good as fuck. It should look good as fuck.
Mama,
it should look good as fuck.
Se ve como, hubo una pinche diarrea en el pinche
It
pancake.
should look good as
Ven,
fuck.
cállate, los hocico.
¿Qué es maracuya? ¿Sabes qué es maracuya o no? ¿Eh?
¿Mierda?
Es mierda de caballo.
Entonces,
es mierda de
ese es como...
What is it?
¿Qué es? Oh, squid. Pues
That's like
casi todo es squid, güey.
That's
Ya, están haciendo el
¿no
pinche
tiene-
Squid Game,
Wait,
güey.
they got megalodon or no? They got piece of megalodon?
¿Qué es esto, güey? Pinche... Méntala, güey.
Es marihuana, güey.
Ah, su madre.
Tiene la de pica, pica.
¿No me puedo llevar uno, güey? Es una pinche... Es un wing kit, güey.
¿Para qué lo quieres? ¿Para qué lo quieres?
No puedo, güey. Más como $15, güey. $15. Cuesta más el
Güey, te
pinche...
puedes comprar unas crazy fries en Alberto, güey.
Son las...
Está hecha con azúcar verdadera, güey. Aquí será made real sugar, güey. Vamos a ver una de estas, una de melón, la verga. Y esto.
Oye, güey, ¿qué es esto? Esta, güey.
Esa es bebida para... Haz de cuenta que es bebida como para... O si tienen un osito pet.
A su madre tienen Pepsi de China y de Japón y de la...
Pero una que esté heladita para que pegue bien. Para que pegue bien. We just came back from the store. Like I said, we're gonna try some Japanese snacks. The person that was working there, and he recommended me some stuff and whatnot. But yeah, so we're gonna get started. Like I said, so first things and foremost, if we're saying anything wrong, if we're joking or something, we don't mean it in any disrespect whatsoever. It's just we're not playing around. No, He if you guys want to put back comments, talk about him, because not me. I'm serious. So whatever we say is we don't mean it in any disrespect whatsoever. So we're just gonna say it how it is. We're not gonna lie to you either. We're not gonna say it's really good when it's not. Well, at least to us, you know what I'm saying. At the end of the day, our opinion doesn't really matter because we're not even Japanese. You know what I'm saying. So it's just, what I'm saying, we're just trying some stuff out. But we don't mean in any disrespect. If we joke around, we don't mean any disrespect. I just want to get that out there. Anyways, let's get started. So what did we buy? First things first is these chocolate... Huh?
What are the cat workers?
One of the workers recommended these. It's like chocolate chips. I guess, I don't know. I think it's just chocolate chips. So we're going to try them out and see what's going on. So I'm going to put you guys can see it. Hey, Cole, your ugly ass. Hey, man. Bro, it's not focusing. Bro, it's not focusing, bro. I'm just trying to... Alright, put it on. Alright, let's do it. look like. I mean, it smells alright, you know what I'm saying? It smells pretty good. It smells like...
It's more like brownie.
It should smell like, yeah, like cacao. Cacao. What do you think? What are your thoughts?
It's alright.
It's alright?
It's alright.
Yeah, they're not bad. They're like they're good. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I think it needs salt. Like I need the flavor to be a little bit more explosive. You can definitely taste the chocolate in this, but it's not really that strong, right?
Salt and chocolate?
You know they make you know when they make food with chocolate they put salt in it, right? Dumbass.
Oh hell no.
Look at the ingredients.
Oh, that's more.
So that's what I'm saying. So they need a little bit more salt. I feel like in order for this chocolate kind of taste to really punch you. But for people that don't really like it too sweet, I guess, then just or too much of a strong chocolate, then this is perfect for you. Which is not bad. I don't hate them at all. They're pretty good. So okay. So these are that. On to the next. And we got the now we got these. We got some Hello Kitty mango. Some Hello Kitty mangoes. Yeah. Are you ready? Okay.
It's like kind of good.
Hmm?
It's actually kind of good.
It was pretty good. Actually, that was pretty nice. So I kind of like these more than the first ones we tried, but those are really good too. To be honest, yeah, right. They're really good. You like it? You're so fat ass. I've heard these are pretty popular. So I just want to say real quick, I didn't want to get anything that's raw fish because I know for a fact I'm gonna throw up. I don't like sushi at all. He does. You like sushi, huh?
A little bit. Just the veggie one, not the veggie.
Yeah, so he likes the veggie sushi, so it's not really any raw fish. I don't eat raw fish at all. I don't like sushi. In my opinion, it just doesn't. I just don't like it. You know what I'm saying? So I didn't want to get anything that I'm gonna look bad tasting on here because I know I'm gonna react bad. But I heard these are pretty good. So it's tuna. I mean, of course, everybody eats tuna. So I'm gonna try these out. We're gonna try these out. So this is instructions. This is what it looks like. So hold on, let me see. This is what it looks like. All right.
Isn't there another one?
Oh, I only bought one. One, you pull down the tab. Pull. Continue all the way around. Remove the strip. Oh, I'm breaking it, bro. How the fuck you do this? I'm fucking it up, bro. Wait. Oh, pull down this, right? Pull down this. And then remove the two leftover film. I don't like seaweed, guys. I just don't. You like seaweed, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like seaweed, bro.
You have to, bro.
Bro, you can taste the air on this bitch, bro. You can no, don't smell it. Just suck on it, like suck the air on it. You can taste that shit. I don't like it, bro. Man, I'm breaking everything, bro.
Big ol' bite. Come on.
No, bro, I can't. Oh, bro, this shit's nasty. I'm sorry, guys.
Big ol' bite, wait.
No, like we're giving a t-shirt. I'm sorry, guys. I'm really trying here. I just don't like, you know what I'm saying? I don't like the seaweed. If it was just rice and tuna, I'd for sure try. I probably wouldn't even get it because, like, what's the point? You know what I'm saying? Rice and tuna, everybody eats that every day. I'm just gonna accept the seaweed. I don't like seaweed at all. You bring me something to drink, bro. Bring me like one of those. Bring me the.
Get this fucking.
Who is it? No, that's Mom's. That's Mom's. Bring me a Diet Coke because I'm gonna diet. Bring me a Diet Coke because I'm gonna diet.
Bro, what diet?
Let's get it. Fuck, man.
Moment of truth.
Why,
bro, don't smell it. Just
why it smell like that, bro? It smells like fucking. It smells like Imperial Beach, bro.
I thought you liked Imperial Beach.
Facts. It smells like. It just smells like. It just smells like fishy. You know what I mean? Like I don't know, bro. It's just. Oh, bro, I'm not gonna like this shit.
Just close your nostrils and fucking eat it, bro. Clench it. Clench it. Big ol'.
Bro, I can't eat that. Oh fuck.
What it says like?
It just tastes like Bro, you can't taste the tuna, bro. Look at the little ass, bro. What the fuck? I got tuna shit on. Give me some money, bro. Here, take my bite up.
That's it, man.
Try it out. Not bad? Yeah, but not for me. That's not for me, bro. God damn. Again, I'm sorry. I just don't like the smell of fish. When it's cooked, yeah, but I don't know
something though?
What?
You didn't even bite the fucking tuna yet. You just rice and fucking
seaweed. That's why I probably didn't like it, but nah, just the seaweed in general. Like, I just don't like, you know, seaweed or any type of raw fish. So save that. Next up, so we got this. I don't know what this is. It says, I don't know what this is. I brought it because it looks like one of those Mexican breads that you get from like the Mexican store. It's called una concha. So yeah, we just brought it because of that, right? I don't know what it says, to be honest. It doesn't say no English words. Ingredients: wheat, flour, yolk, egg yolks, modifying heat, whatever. Alright, so let's try it out. I don't know what this is. Oh, bro, it smells good, bro. It smells good as fuck. Alright, ready? So I'm just gonna take a little. Oh yeah, for sure.
Pass it over.
Damn! Man, that's just pretty good. That's pretty good. It smells good, huh? It's actually pretty good. You like it? I think you put my soda on. Oh, perfect. It's actually pretty good, huh? You like it?
It's basically just the concha.
Yeah, it's basically concha. It's basically concha. You know what I'm saying? It's basically concha. That's all it is. So That's pretty good. So, alright guys, so next up is this. It's like a okay. It's a caramel flavor cake.
What is it?
It's a fabulous cake that melts in your mouth. So
what do you mean by that, man? Here, let me smell it.
you get a piece.
Yeah, it kind of smells like
It smells like home. I mean,
where's it melting at?
where the fuck is the caramel?
Where's the caramel, bruh?
We're halfway. There's no fucking caramel. What the fuck?
Bread that melts. Man.
This shit ain't melting. Ain't shit melting on my mouth, but this.